guys, here's how to download and install Skyrim mods on PC. Head over to nexusmods.com, click the link in the description. In the top right, click Download App, then select Download for Windows. Once you've downloaded the setup, run it, hit Yes on the pop-up, select Install. Once it's done, click Finish. Now on the left side, select Games, search Games in the top right, and type Skyrim. Hover over Skyrim Special Edition and select Manage. Now it'll pop up Skyrim Script Extender 64 is not installed, so just select Fix. And on the Skyrim Script Extender page, link in the description as well, select Download Manual, select Slow Download. If it prompts you, just sign in or register your account. Once it's finished downloading, double-click the file, open it up. Now go back to Vortex, select Mods on the left, Open, and select Open Game Folder. Now open the Skyrim Script Extender and copy these 4 folders right into the Skyrim folder. Just like that. If it looks like this, you did it correct. Once you do that, you're ready to start downloading mods. In the description, I've put the link for where to download the Skyrim Special Edition mods from Nexus Mods. Now just select the mod that you'd like. On the mod page, select Download Vortex and click on Vortex. Select Download, Slow Download, Open Vortex. If it asks you to sign in again, just refresh the download and slow download again. And there we go. It says Sky UI, it's enabled. Now at the top, just select Deploy Mods and select Play in the bottom left and you're good to go. If this helped, let me know down below.